Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is aerobic respiration. Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water, releasing the most energy possible from each glucose molecule. By the end of this video, you'll know both equations, the site and what aerobic actually means. Aerobic respiration is the process by which cells release energy from glucose using oxygen. Word equation: glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water with energy released. Symbol equation: C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O. The reaction is exothermic. It happens in mitochondria. Three things. 1. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen. 2. It releases lots of energy per glucose as ATP. 3. Every living cell respires. Cells with high energy demands, muscle cells, intestinal cells, root hair cells, contain many mitochondria. Spot lots of mitochondria, expect lots of aerobic respiration. Common slip. Respiration is not breathing. Breathing is ventilation, moving air in and out of the lungs. Respiration is the chemistry happening inside every living cell, releasing energy from glucose. Plants respire too, day and night, even when not photosynthesizing. Quick example: you inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. The carbon and hydrogen in that carbon dioxide and the water vapor came from the glucose you ate. The oxygen you inhaled combined with that glucose, releasing the energy your cells need to keep working. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.